Ultra-soft, highly elastic, a sponge sandpaper that perfectly conforms to parts. Just how addictive can it be? Following the success of the adhesive-backed sandpaper, the new sponge sandpaper is finally here. After over 6 months of testing, we've selected the ultimate combination to solve the problem of traditional sandpaper failing to conform perfectly to curved surfaces. For the sponge, we specially customized an EVA foam high-density, great feel, providing solid support when pressed, yet soft and springy like a cloud. Its closed cell structure ensures that after wet sanding, moisture won't get trapped inside, preventing mold and odors. Thanks to its high density, it can also double as a polishing tool for final touches, reducing whitening. The abrasive surface is a cloth-like film material, combining the flexibility of fabric with the durability of film. It bends freely without creasing or shedding grit, offers excellent debris clearance without clogging, and supports wet sanding to reduce dust, delivering a finer finish. Compared to traditional sponge sandpapers on the market, the new sponge sandpaper conforms flawlessly to curves. Even with highly complex parts, its superior wraparound fit ensures seamless contact while capturing every detail. Beyond that, we've enhanced its special-use performance when sanding challenging spots. Users often cut sandpaper into small pieces and grit them with tweezers. Most products suffer from weak adhesive bonds between the sponge and abrasive, causing separation but not with ours. We use a special oil-based adhesive to secure the 2 layers, ensuring the abrasive won't peel off whether cut for precision work or used wet. This launch includes 7 grits 400 to 2000. Unlike our adhesive-backed sandpaper, each grit now comes with a matching storage case, color-coded for easy identification. In order to be able to cope with more special usage scenarios and different preferences of users, we have designed 2 thicknesses, 3mm and 10mm. The 3mm flexible version can be bent into various shapes and is suitable for dealing with more complex parts. The 10mm stable control version has strong support and a good feel. For beginners, it can even be used as a flexible sanding tool. Just by applying gentle force, it can sand the flat parts without making the edges rough. Of course, if you want to achieve the ultimate flatness accuracy, it is recommended to use the powerful adhesive sandpaper combined with the sanding tool to obtain a better production effect. Where is the charm of handcraft? It lies in the soul we endow to materials with our hands, in the craftsmanship at each curve transition, and in the focus of communicating with the parts during polishing. The sanding sponge sandpaper is the magic tool that helps you put this craftsmanship into practice. It makes complex curved surfaces no longer an obstacle, turns the polishing process into a pleasure, and allows each work to present the perfect look in your heart. Now join DSPIAE and use this sanding sponge to create a more exquisite world.